we're embarking on a deep dive into the often overlooked realm of bad money habits. These are the subtle, yet destructive patterns that stealthily weave their way into our daily routines, often flying under the radar, yet carrying a significant punch. Picture them as silent termites, relentlessly chipping away at the bedrock of our financial well-being. Over time, these habits, the spontaneous shopping sprees, the casual disregard for budgeting, the frequent indulgence in the treat-yourself mentality, all accumulate. They gradually undermine our financial stability, leaving us teetering on the edge. It extends beyond a depleted wallet at the end of the month. It's the mounting stress, the gnawing anxiety, the perpetual worry about making ends meet. It's the dreams deferred, a home, a holiday, a secure retirement, or anything else you want in life. That's the true toll of bad money habits. So, let's shine a spotlight on these habits and kickstart the journey towards transformation. 1. Identifying bad money habits. As we delve deeper into our financial journey, it's time for some self-reflection. We need to identify our bad money habits. This task, while challenging, is crucial. Picture it as peeling an onion. Each layer we peel back reveals a deeper truth about our financial behaviors. Perhaps it's the daily indulgence in luxury coffee that's subtly draining your wallet, or those spontaneous online shopping sprees triggered by boredom or stress. It could be the absence of a budget, or the habit of making only the minimum payments on your credit card bills. These habits are deeply personal, unique to each one of us, and shaped by our experiences, our values, and our lifestyle. Unearthing them requires honesty, introspection, and a willingness to change. It's about acknowledging our financial missteps and understanding their impact on our lives. Remember, the first step towards change is awareness. So, let's bravely confront our financial realities and take that first step towards better money management. 2. The psychology behind bad money habits. Let's dive into the intriguing realm of psychology to unravel the reasons behind our bad money habits. It's a tangled web of emotions, beliefs, and behaviors. Fundamentally, our relationship with money is deeply emotional. We might indulge in a shopping spree to boost our mood or avoid glancing at our bank statements out of fear. Our beliefs about money, often formed in our childhood, play a significant role too. If we were raised with the notion that money is scarce and hard to obtain, we might hoard it or spend it recklessly due to fear of losing it. These emotions and beliefs, in turn, shape our behaviors. We might find ourselves trapped in a cycle of bad money habits, not because we lack financial knowledge, but because we're driven by deep-rooted fears, desires, or beliefs. Grasping this psychological aspect of our money habits is key to breaking free from the cycle. It's not just about what we do with our money, but why we do it. So, let's dig deep, face our money-related fears and beliefs, and take a stride towards healthier financial behaviors. 3. Steps to break bad money habits. Now that we've identified and understood our bad money habits, it's time to roll up our sleeves and take action. Breaking these habits isn't a one-time event, but a journey, and it requires a step-by-step approach. First off, we need to establish clear, achievable financial goals. Whether it's saving up for a house, paying off your debts, or making an emergency fund, having a goal provides us with a target to aim for. Second, we need to craft a budget. This gives us a clear snapshot of our income, expenses, and where our money is going. Third, we need to discover healthier ways to cope with stress and boredom, instead of succumbing to retail therapy. Fourth, we need to practice mindful spending, questioning ourselves if each purchase is necessary and aligns with our goals. Fifth, we need to seek support, whether it's from a financial advisor, a supportive friend, or a money management app. Remember, breaking bad money habits is a process, and it's perfectly fine to take it one step at a time. So, let's put on our shoes and embark on this journey towards financial freedom. 4. Strategies for developing good money habits. Breaking bad money habits is only half the battle. The other half is cultivating good money habits. So, how do we foster these habits? First off, we need to start saving regularly. Even a modest amount, when saved consistently, can accumulate over time. Second, we need to prioritize paying off debt. High-interest debt can be a significant drain on our finances, so tackling this early is crucial. Third, we need to establish an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and having a financial safety net can provide peace of mind. Fourth, we need to invest in our financial education. The more we understand about money, the better decisions we can make. Fifth, We need to practice gratitude for what we have and resist the urge to compare ourselves with others. Remember, good money habits are built over time, and every step we take towards financial health is a step in the right direction. So, let's embrace these strategies and start paving the way to a robust financial future. 5. Examples of successful transformations. To truly grasp the transformative power of breaking bad money habits and cultivating good ones, let's delve into some examples of success stories. Consider John, a chronic impulse buyer. He was perpetually in debt and living paycheck to paycheck. But after identifying his bad money habits and implementing a strict budget, he managed to clear his debt and even started saving for retirement. Then there's Sarah, who used to avoid dealing with money out of fear. After seeking financial advice and educating herself about money management, she established an emergency fund and began investing in her future. These aren't just isolated incidents. Countless individuals have revolutionized their financial lives by breaking free from bad money habits and embracing good ones. It's a testament to the fact that change is possible, no matter how deep you might be in the financial quagmire. So, let's draw inspiration from these stories and believe in our ability to transform our financial lives. As we conclude our exploration into the realm of money habits, remember that change is a journey, not a destination. It requires time, effort, and patience. But the rewards, financial stability, peace of mind, and the freedom to live life on your terms are worth it. So, take that first step today. Identify your bad money habits, understand their impact, and start implementing strategies to break them. Cultivate good money habits that will serve you well in the long run. Draw inspiration from those who have successfully transformed their financial lives. And most importantly, believe in your ability to change. Your journey towards financial freedom begins now. So, are you ready to break free from your bad money habits and make smart money choices? The choice is in your hands. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more,